Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Manasquan Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey until 6:15 a.m. At 5:21 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 23 nautical miles northwest of Beach Haven to near Seal City, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Ship Bottom, Great Egg Inlet, Barnegat Light Reef, Garden State South Reef, Harvey Cedars, Ford River, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Beach Haven, The Lump, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, Garden State North Reef, Little Egg Inlet, Luigi, Brigantine and Sea Isle City. Here is the forecast warning. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where portions of northeast New Jersey and southeast New York, including the following counties: in northeast New Jersey, Bergen; in southeast New York, Rockland. When? Until 6:45 a.m. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details: at 5:24 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area.